Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I make butterfly crochet locks. So with that being said, guys, let's jump right into the video. So starting off, guys, you will need some type of kinky hair for the inside of your lock. And also you would need a brand of WATERWAVE hair. I do use DEJA WATERWAVE hair in a 22-inch. So you will need to fluff out your WATERWAVE hair, get it to a very, messy look. So now you're going to wrap your hair. You will need one side of the WATERWAVE hair shorter than the other side, and then you would just start wrapping your hair as you would on a client. Just wrap. You want to wrap it tightly but loosely to give it that messy look. As you see here, I have ran out of WATERWAVE hair. You can just grab another piece and just keep wrapping as usual. I do use 2 strands of WATERWAVE hair for each lock. The video has cut off on the side. I didn't notice that, but I will be showing you guys this technique at a different angle. Okay guys, once you get to the desired length that you want, you can start wrapping up on the lock. And now, to avoid unraveling, you can add nail glue to secure your lock. Alright guys, we have reached the end of my video, and I just want to thank everyone who stayed out to the end to see the outcome. And this is it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also I will be doing a video on how to install these locks. So subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be reminded. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.